Oh, okay. We're just. It looks like both sides are just doing the salty
We
run
run
back.
it fucking back.
The salty run back. Oh,
Evelyn.
Evelyn. Ooh.
Ooh, they don't like it.
So what they might do is they might try to pick the rail here.
Fuck it, give it to him. I don't care.
I'm
We'll
just
take
saying,
that.
I'm just saying, keep that in mind. Just.
By the way, Zor says, I don't have Ryu yet. I did tell him I said Coach Draft is insurmountable. I'm a Draft Kingdom believer.
I'm a Draft Kingdom believer too.
Kaisa.
Kaisa again.
I'm down to just pick Thresh plus X. You want Misfortune again?
Yeah, give it to me.
You want to show him the Game 5 Perky diff?
Yeah, dude, it's literally.
I actually just typed in Perky instead of Misfortune.
Dude, I mean, what can I say? It's just, it's my main.
No, dude, if they want the salty run it back. Like,
Okay,
No
they're
cause.
going to try and poke you guys.
Alright, that's fine.
Yeah.
Dude, this is literally ego picks fucking galore. Holy shit.
Yeah, Evelyn would have been so nice here.
So here's what I'm thinking. I think we pick the Echo round 3 here,
Yeah, Echo's super good here too, actually.
And then we flex
and
it.
then we still have the ability to flex it if Leo really hates the
Yeah.
matchup or something. We can just put you.
there's
on-
also a potential right now we can go Malphite. Because right now they have
Trundle.
Doesn't Echo be fine into Trundle?
Go Echo, yeah, go Echo's fine.
That should be so good, I feel like.
Yeah,
Don't,
like
but that feels really good.
Yeah, no, Echo's completely good in Tat. And it's also really good at Takeshi Vel'Koz because I can just one-shot them both.
yeah.
What do you think of just banning Camille and ban the Mordekaiser? First pick me Malphite.
I like it.
I'm thinking. The only thing that would worry me about that is they could pick the Galio.
That's fine. I'll play Yasuo into it.
Okay, sounds good. So you were banning Camille and Mordekaiser?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it.
We're gonna eat my shorts.
Well, do we need to ban the Mord if they have a lot of AP? But I don't want to second guess bans. I'm fine with that. Never mind. I'll shut up.
The only thing that worries me a little bit is leaving the Victor open.
Yo, I'll play Yasuo to Victor every day.
It is.
Fuck yeah, that's what I like to hear. Let's fucking go.
Like, this mid laner is complete dog shit. Like, I do not care.
So Mordekaiser?
Yeah.
Look at every game, man. It's just a massive fucking CS diff. It's just diff everywhere, man. Rotations. You can't play early game.
I mean, you could also play.
Okay.
I can also whip out Yone, so that's also a thing.
Or.
You want Malphite?
Yep.
Let's fucking go. Final answer.
Yes.
Fuck yeah. That's
Let's
what I
go,
like.
dude.
Raw, full stop. Raw, full stop.
Honestly, our comp looks way better than last game. So I don't know whether to be happy or concerned.
Bro, I don't know either. And that's what scares me. I don't fucking know either.
Dude, where's my underwear?
I don't need to hear that.
I never put on
Oh, the
Oh
Silas.
no, they're picking Silas.
Okay, there you go.
Dirtbags.
How does Silas into Echo go?
What, mid lane?
Yeah.
It's fine. It's just.
Are you
kill me,
confident
but-
the Yasuo into Silas?
Yeah, I'm fine with that. You can outplay. I can.
Would you prefer Yasuo or Yone?
It's better to go Yasuo because he gets a shittier ult. If I go Yone,
True.
he gets a better ult,
True.
so it's better to go Yasuo.
True. I like that.
Okay.
Garen.
Holy fuck.
All right, so let's go with
Really
Yasuo.
nice
We're gonna fucking run it back, boys. You guys ready?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alrighty. So they're obviously gonna try and poke you guys with the Vel'Koz and the Kaisa. Silas is gonna try and take Echo and Malphite ultimates. If he has to, he'll take Thresh ultimate.
Yep.
Malphite into Garen's kind of a mediocre to shitty matchup.
If he builds full
But-
damage and I go full AP, I'll kill him. But if he does,
I'm just saying, just keep,
Yeah. I think I probably need to go something tanky, but I probably want Morelos as well.
you can probably squeeze a little bit of AP in,
They're
but
asking
you
if
want
we're
tank
ready.
primary.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're ready. All right, so just keep an eye out for the Garen flanks. The Silas, if Silas has Malphite ultimate, make sure to not clump too much.
Actually, I don't want to go full tank because they have a Trundle. I just realized.
Yeah, so, but I'm not saying go full tank. I'm saying squeeze in some AP, but still want to go primarily tank.
Yeah. Okay.
Aatrox.
All right.
Okay.
There you go.
Alrighty, any questions about anything? Are you guys
Thank
good?
you.
I'm going Ignite this time.
Yeah, if you get break the heel cut, it's good against Trundle, it's good against Silas, it's good against basically everybody. Alright.
Yeah.
And Silas, this guy, if this guy positions like he did in
Oh, this
games
guy's a
3 and
Silas
4,
top?
what's up?
It's a Silas
Oh,
top.
that's Tom.
Oh yeah, Garen mid. I mean, you guys can honestly swap lanes if you guys feel like comfortable with that.
It's up to you, Tony. I don't
Up
care.
to you. I don't care.
I don't
Okay.
care the least.
Anyway, best of luck, gentlemen. Get this reverse sweep. Bunga bunga. 8 strong together. Best of luck.
All right, Tony.
I think it was a Wild West skin from Thresh, you know.
I think I had to go early Morelos, or at least whatever the previous item for it.
And then Camille and Mord.
Are we swapping or no?
Most likely, yeah.
Okay, if that's the case, we really
Wherever
hope this.
Silas goes, that's where I go. Wherever Garrett, you know what I mean? So
Alright,
I'm just
so-
going TP. I can't go Ignite. What?
I was thinking. So I think we need to get like a deep ward or something. Like we need to try and find what's going on.
Yeah, we gotta find where they're going.
So are we gonna go top
we-
side or?
We could just stack mid, like just run down mid and see what's
Are we gonna go on the bottom side or top side of? I would think
Or-
top.
for red side. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Let me think. I think me and Tony just sit out of vision so they can't see us where we're going in the first place, and we see where Garrett and them go. I think they're just gonna sit Silas top, to be honest. And they're gonna send Garrett mid because Garrett mid has played Garrett mid before.
Yeah. So
And if they disappear and link swap, I guess we just swap as well.
Yeah.
We just gotta protect the Yasuo. I guarantee you they gank
mid or
top
top. Yeah.
3. It's giga doomed if we get out of lane. Like even or ahead for them.
I was trying to process that. I'm like, wait. So
I realized that was.
I was also very confused. Like, what? Why would you say that?
No. Yeah.
All right. So what's the plan?
The plan is me and Malphite are gonna run around in circles until we figure out where Silas is going.
So then we're gonna just do 5 point then. Well, you and Malphite just try to figure out which one's going to where.
Yeah.
By like Baron Pit, right at the tip, I would say.
Wait, just to clarify, it's their mid player playing Garen, not their top player.
Yeah, I know. He
Yeah.
plays Garen mid.
I'm just asking you.
Honestly,
Yeah.
what we could do is we set up in the top side bush, and then because mid has to show first, and then whoever shows mid, the mid, like the top side near mid lane, like we just sit there.
Okay. Tony, we can just 5 point right. Okay, jungle go mid, and me and you just sit. I sit in the bush, you sit top, and if we see whoever's mid, we just swap.
Yep.
Thoughts about trying to get a ward in Tri Bush top side?
We could, yeah.
I mean that allows us to like force them to show. Well, I don't know.
No, because we would have to put the ward either in the lane or over by the blue buff.
Then we could ward top side, like right here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so like one would have to go here, the other one would have to go like right here.
Do we want to do that? Do we want to invade to get that ward?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh,
Should I take a just in case or no?
Just wait to scale something.
Okay.
you wanted
Damn.
I mean,
Walking forward?
Yeah, come. Yeah. Nope, that's not where.
Ledger's back. Ledger's back.
It's fine. It's
Second.
not.
We're not gonna. I don't
looks like
know.
it's gonna be Garen mid.
Yeah, it looks like Aaron mid.
We just sit here for a second until
We
the show.
did see Garen, but he could rotate.
Yeah, we just sit here until the show, and then we'll. I go wherever Silas is, you go wherever Garen is, okay?
Yep.
I'll walk with you, Berkey. Let me use the blast client.
Just be careful, Silas might chase here.
Yeah. That's fun. I'm pretty sure I win level 1, so. Look.
Okay.
Okay, took flight.
Yep, Garen mid.
So. Sup, bitch?
We can just get a push in.
Oh.
He went straight to.
Yeah, that was a bad trade.
He's gonna come off. He's gonna come off.
Other unblooded. Yeah.
He went. Yeah, he went straight to blue after it. He's like definitely looking to go top or mid.
Yep.
Yeah, he's really good.
He could look to invade me too, but I'll be level 3, so I'm chilling. Like, if he comes right, I'll be level 3. He'll be level 2. If he doesn't do another camp. So.
Damn.
It's okay.
I hate this Vel'Koz. Ugh. If he pulls up again, I'm
You put a ward here? There's a ward in topside bush.
Come on. Damn it.
Yeah, they're looking for shenanigans.
Try come?
Yeah,
Silas coming.
I can't help.
Okay.
I don't know what he's doing. I think they're on it in this bush. Okay, no.
No,
We get good.
He's mid. Maybe have to flash, Tony. Or maybe not.
I don't need a flash.
Yep.
Okay. Want me to gauge him? No, never mind. It's level 3.
Tony, can you TP if this guy keeps hitting me?
Alright.
I'm running to you.
On TP?
Hook!
I can smite this for it. Go on Trundle. Up on Garen.
Slow.
Okay. Double flash.
Alright.
Double flash. Sorry, Trundle flash and the other guy flash.
Guy's so annoying at Bell.
Around
Appreciate
aim in is...
Okay, I'm warding care.
If you need to take it back, you can back. For,
Okay. Yeah, for health and boots, yes.
I mean,
Oh my god, man. My clear is really fucked off that. Whatever. Make sure reset. It's fine.
Okay, I'm on my way back to that. Yeah,
Okay.
they're really pushing up on us pretty hard.
I got a really bad first back, so I need to
Okay.
walk my jungle.
I'm resetting.
If I can get that bot scuttle, maybe.
I'll come. Here, I'll come. I'll come with you for the bot scuttle. Or Perky, you want me to stay in lane with you?
Yeah, this wave's gonna crash. I don't know if you're getting it. Hold.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it's fine if I do. Holy shit, why is it walking that way, man? I might not get it now, because I think it should.
Okay, bot lane's missing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get it, man. I can't get it.
And we can collapse on her, can we? No?
I'm like level 3, man. I think Trundle's
Oh, okay.
Man, it's so sad. Wait, shit.
Mid pile.
Guys, can I do it?
I'm coming.
I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna run.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. We're not there. They're gonna get there before us.
Yeah, I'm just running in. I got scuttle. That's all I was.
Nice, 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 nice. I'm gonna pink ward right here, this entrance.
Trundle's right here.
Okay.
They're looking to reset.
I'm gonna try to see if no, there's no look. Never mind. Unless they push in on us.
So stupid.
Hooking? Damn.
Alright, no TP Silas.
Hook in 5 seconds.
You might have an angle when he like looks.
Can I look bot? No, never mind. Don't recall.
No, there's yeah.
Got it up?
Okay, or not.
Oh shit, my bad. I trolled you on that one. Okay, bot lane's missing.
Yeah, we hard push this. Just be careful that they could be.
Yeah, they got it.
I'm resetting.
Play the back.
Okay.
That's not playing. Alright, whatever.
Okay, back.
We got a better back.
I'm finally able to play the game now.
Huge dubs.
Okay.
Okay, I recall for some pink.
I mean, I'm even in lane versus. I'm 1 CS up on Kaisa and they have fucking Vel'Koz, so.
Lantern?
I want to see if they're gonna convert.
Okay, they're warding.
Yeah, he's on it. Oh, he's low.
Okay, Trundle's bot.
I'm coming.
Stopping off it. Are you just
Silas
here?
missing? He has no TP.
Yeah, 26. He's like 1 HP. And Will's legit 1 HP. Go on, Kaisa. Kaisa.
I will on Malphite.
Kaisa. Nice.
Can we?
Good shit, guys. So greedy about him to do the drink.
Oh.
Somebody else tank this, please.
I'll take it.
Okay.
This guy's just freezing on me. What a bully.
Sorry. John, see if you could help him unfreeze.
I will.
I was out of that.
I wanted to do first. I just need to hop towards top and get 6, and then I can help. 1.6, like we're really in the game.
I'm fine overall though.
Yeah, he's only a little bit up.
This guy?
Or just he's a little bit CS deployment. Okay, I'm about to hit 6, and then I want to reset.
Fiddle top.
Yeah, I mean,
I have a really good reset here.
really well.
Yeah, Vel'Koz does has flash, because I didn't see him use it, so he's got
We're
flash.
really like.
Okay, I have a nut recall.
Okay,
Trundle's up here.
another level 6.
I have 6. I have Hex Tech, and I have Sword. I'm so
Okay,
huge.
they just warded.
Okay, nice.
Hook.
Okay.
Got it.
They have
7
6
seconds.
Yeah, he's
okay.
going. Trundle might be going top.
Pink warded here, and
I'm walking
also
towards
over here.
Cavalier, he's there, I think. I'm walking now.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Just give me time.
By time.
Okay, bot lane's missing. Oh shit.
That's so fucking sad, man.
I'm coming. Ulti in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ulti this guy. Ulti this guy. Ulti this guy.
Yeah.
10 seconds for hook.
There we go.
Okay, walk out.
Let's get
I
her.
still have water. I still have 50 seconds. 1 for 1, it's fine. I'll catch this wave. Go back to me.
Okay. I'm going to recall.
Yeah.
Hook. Oh no, he's really good at dodging these hooks, man.
It's okay.
If they don't have
Literally
movement,
just 5 to get down in this lane, which is fine. Like,
Yeah. I got one for melee minion or cannon.
Yeah, we can look at.
Okay. Trying to go in?
Hit the back. Hit the back. Leo.
I thought eventually just moved to me. I really want to move.
Yo, Garen might be going bot. Garen might be going bot.
Yep, Garen is.
I want to clear top side, cancel them dark.
Oh, not just Garen.
2 minutes till dragon. I have a good.
Bot lane's missing completely. I'm gonna try to ward right here. Just so I can get. Yep, Trundle's right here.
Character.
Do we win if I come?
Got
I'm
him.
walking. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm pretty far though. Keep in mind that part. Nice, he's dead. He's dead. Good.
Dude, alright, this is just a massive fucking jungle diff. It's just sad at this point.
Let's spawn here. Actually, no, I don't want to spawn here, but I want to get Leo. Careful, Leo. There's gonna. Garen might be top.
Damn.
Okay.
What the fuck is this, man? I just went conquer.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
trolling.
Yeah, literally just if you just don't have that, we're chilling.
Yeah.
Warded.
All good.
Is he up here by himself?
I can hold that up wave too.
Okay.
Okay, I'm checking out the wards. That is warded.
They're gonna have a freeze bot.
Oh, nope. Never mind.
Okay, I'm into the dragon.
Flame. I'm gonna get knocked up, ulted. Yep, I'm dead. Fuck.
We don't need
That's
a.
my fault.
Yeah, I don't know why we're forcing that shit. Like, we knew they were gonna freeze on us, so we just back up and let them.
He'll be
Yeah, should've.
I think I.
Wait, if I ulti bot now, can I come? Yeah, I'm going. I'm going TP.
Bot lane has no ult.
I'm gonna straight down.
I have TP in 30. Silas is missing. He has TP.
Silas TP. He might try to steal my ulti.
Yeah.
I have TP in 20. Garen
Can
top.
I get a W on this guy? Can we go?
I'm here.
Alright.
I'm almost there, almost there, almost there.
Yeah, he has my ulti.
That was the post.
It's okay.
He does. I think.
No. Get him.
No.
What? No fucking way.
I can't.
2 seconds.
Holy fuck.
I'm TPing.
He's gonna just heal.
You have fly?
Nope, I just used it.
Yeah,
2 seconds.
he's gonna heal. Right. Yeah, they just walk out. You can't fight him.
Yeah.
He'll fight. We need to fight. We can't fight him right now.
Ah!
Oh,
You took the minion from me!
Yeah, this is fucking strong.
This is good play, Silas. Like, fuck. Oh, thank God.
I'm going top to be the Garen.
Trundle's spot.
Yes, no TV.
Okay. Can we do dragon with Silas dead?
Yeah.
Tony doesn't have CP though, so it's gonna be a.
I'm just gonna come.
Okay.
Cause that tower's pretty much dead anyways.
What's going? Oh shit! I have this one here so it doesn't move forward. Okay, go in here. Good finish.
Okay.
Okay, walk out mid, walk out mid.
Okay, walking in with.
So to
I'll
get
stay with you. I gotcha.
Yeah, we don't want to take fight.
Okay. Okay, Vel'Koz is mid side. No. Okay. I'm rotating back to bot. Rotating back to bot. Okay, Vel'Koz is coming mid. Alright.
Okay, okay, we already have anti-heal on Leo and
I'm about to grab it too, unless I shouldn't.
I'm not gonna grab it too.
I'll grab it.
I just want damage.
I'm fine with it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to give up this tower.
The main damage is pilot. Yeah,
Well,
this
I'm
is
coming
fine.
top. I'm coming top.
Yeah, if we make it top side, it's fine if we lose
Yeah.
Going.
Yeah.
My turn?
this. Garen's running.
Using my W, using my W. Nice. I said both.
Watch out bot, watch out bot.
No, you gotta be shitting.
Trundle's top.
That's fine.
Oh, bot line dead, unfortunately.
Yeah, I don't really like throwing shit like that because the tower's gonna die.
Yeah.
I mean, they.
Top no. He has no flash. Garen no flash.
Yeah, it's just.
Oh, no,
Kaisa's just really good at fucking dueling, and I don't know.
And dodging like shit. Like, I don't understand how she's able to do that shit.
It's okay, she dies.
Good job.
Yeah, I mean, we have a fucking average.
This guy both.
No.
I don't know if I can chase.
Okay, mid.
No, you can't.
Vel'Koz.
It's okay, we have 2 Drakes.
Lantern?
Like, our team fight is better.
They're just catching us out. One.
I'm running bot. I'm running top. You go front mid.
Got it.
I'll handle the problem. I got it.
Is this where I give perky mid or?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of rough for you. We gotta somehow find a way to get Malphite some farm.
Worded.
Although we could just... Let's just play around here.
Yeah.
With Malphite ult.
7.
Silas in your top side jungle right now.
No.
They could pick up play for Herald, maybe. Okay, I'm just gonna reset. I have all the gold.
I'm going back bot.
Okay, I have flash up.
Okay, worded. With the pink. Vel'Koz has got Lee Andrews. Want me to try to look for something?
No, it's up. I'm just gonna pick it up.
Gotcha.
We have Drake in a minute.
I'm gonna go.
I have shield build now.
I'm gonna get the wards that we need.
Oh, South, sorry, never mind. Cannot fight that guy.
Coming straight to bot.
Looks like they're gonna try to go for Rift.
Silas is right there. Yep, they're going after it.
Yeah, do we want to even fight them? Silas is like big as
I'm coming with you.
You don't,
Back.
I can W.
You just ran over pink word.
You gonna try and steal? Alright, okay, never mind. He's gonna go over.
I don't know why we're doing that. That's Drake for them then.
Yeah, I don't know.
We just like make a play on fucking Garen. Like we don't have to. Like we're making some dumb plays just because like we're under stress, right? Like let them make dumb plays. We're fine.
Garen's coming to collapse on us.
Yeah, we need.
I'm zoning them away.
Try not to fight as I'm not
Nice.
Well,
up in 8.
I'm walking around mid.
Are we giving this dragon?
I think we have to at this point.
But we could look for a pick on them.
Garen.
Okay, coming.
Tony, you're gonna have
I'm coming.
I'm trying to buy time, so I'm as much as possible. I don't know, man. I can't.
Yeah, no, we can't catch them.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, just back up.
Oh, Tony's. I guess we didn't want to goose chase.
Oh, they're chasing Malphite.
This guy ulted.
Here.
I'm just gonna get out.
Yep, just
I got out.
No ult, check. Do you take reds?
Just give it to Yasuo if he needs the dueling power. I don't really care. It's not a big deal.
We have to get some recon.
yeah, warded right there.
Fully on it. They're fully on it. They're on it.
I'm coming.
I think it's gone, to be honest.
Oh, hold on. Silas 1 HP.
He just got healed.
I need help with Garen. I got ult.
Kaisa ulted over there.
Slow.
Garen's on the back line.
There we go.
Can we look here?
Kaisa's right there, watch out. Yeah.
I don't think the win is.
Okay.
We're just let's get out.
That was-
2 for 3. It's worth it.
2 for 2. Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting tank from now on.
Okay.
Grabbing Zill.
Okay, gonna try to clear out any vision they have for top side. Dragon 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Where now? Lantern!
Lantern.
Holy shit.
Garen flash ulted.
They know I'm on. They know I'm backing.
It's not up for 2 minutes. Garen no flash for a little bit. You want to flash for
Get our spot.
Yeah, I have no flash. But my flash is with this flash.
Warded.
Can we?
Yeah, they got.
No, if we look to pick Garen, they just go for Garen.
And they're everywhere.
Can we sweep this? I know this is warded. Oh, maybe not.
If I can find a W.
Mm. Do we have TPs? Do they have TPs? Like, question.
I don't have TP in 70.
I think they might just be going straight
Okay,
on
they're
it.
on. Are they on it?
Yeah, W. Sure.
Yeah.
they're on it.
They just started.
Garen has TP.
No clue. But if I leave, he's going to go.
We're gonna have to. Okay, they're gonna.
They're off.
Yep, they're going for a dragon. 52 seconds.
Yep.
I'm back in to get more words.
Be careful. He can one-shot you.
Yeah. What's the play here?
We have TP on top, so it's fine. I think we can.
They have lots of vision down at bot side. I need help clearing. Up 3 mid.
Or we just like, I guess we just try and push through mid and take the fight.
Yeah, push mid.
Up in 10, up in 9. We have to like try and like check. Yeah, they're.
Garen's right around here.
We have
You
to
might
go.
try to pick you guys, to be honest.
I have TP.
Okay,
It's us TP, it's us TP.
I'm TP. Oh,
I'm also TPing.
Try and help Tony.
I'm on now, I'm here.
I'm like trying to keep.
Oh, I couldn't get my W.
oh, he has no flash.
2 seconds for hook.
That should be winning, I think. Press push. Garen. Oh, no way.
So fucking close, man.
Okay, take a trading.
I almost have Infinity. That's me without Infinity right now.
Okay, I got words. Don't worry.
If you do it right now, maybe, because they're really low.
You might TP. I think Garen has TP.
Just look the hook.
Okay, hook. What?
Just get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do TP.
Yeah.
TP.
Yeah, they're dead. Bring it.
It's out.
How did that not hit her? That should have fucking hit her.
1 second trading.
It's okay. Okay. It's the whatever, the weird interaction with how train works.
I'm gonna go bot.
Okay.
They're showing mid. I'm going mid.
They're gonna push in mid and then try to go straight for Baron.
Yeah.
Worded.
Going!
I
Just
have a fight.
I just,
just
I'm going on Lopez. I have ball.
just back.
I'm
I got
running.
ignited.
Shit, sorry, I saw that I saw that was a good chance, that was my bad. Deal.
That's
I don't
alright.
even know if I had an R or not. I just clicked the button. Also,
It's shutdown for no shutdown, luckily.
I'm winning because I saw the guy dash, use his dash.
It's like Garen falls off.
I suppose we gotta wait for Garen to fall off.
Well, Garen's top right now.
I'm back into stoppage.
Do I get Force of Nature this game? I think I go for Force of Nature, right? Or should I just go Gargoyles?
Silas mid.
Up to
Okay,
you,
they're
man.
all mid. Worded. Okay. Belkaz is taking all of my vision.
We're playing vision on Garen.
I'm Infinity. No, I'm backing.
Garen's pushing bot.
I cannot miss Garen. Who one shot me?
I'll go bot then.
Hey, they're rotating the Baron.
Yep. We still have vision on it right now.
I don't think we can kill Garen. He's just too shanky and
Yeah.
one shot with
Yeah.
us.
Can we look here?
I'm running to you guys.
Nowhere there.
Garen's going to you guys.
Try and back up, Press use everything. Try and back up, fully back out.
I am.
I can't almost.
I'm dead.
Can't even kill the guy.
Try and stall it, don't just try not to. If they go Baron, it's good, we can stall it.
He's going all.
Yeah, he's just to kill you.
Oh wow, he goes over. Interesting champion.
He's already level 17. What the fuck?
He's gonna roll. He doesn't He doesn't matter.
It's okay.
Really hard to fight.
I can't tell if I need, like, fuck, I just need Collector and the other at the same time.
Yeah, I feel like I need voice stuff and Zonios as well.
I need gargoyles just to survive.
Garen, no.
You cannot let them have Mount Soul. You cannot let them have this.
The third dragon? Yeah.
It's only third, yeah, right now. But yeah.
Right. I need someone to come help.
I'm coming. They're here.
Garen top.
Yeah.
This guy, what is the champion? You might just try to dive beat mid top tower, dude.
Can we just try and do a Malphite engage when he gets here and just like wipe the fight?
Sure.
I need somewhere to TP in for around this.
Or top tower. Right here.
And then right here too.
Okay, I guess we're just TP to this.
Just fight for this.
You know what?
Get it.
No.
He just running.
Fucking runs up, I guess.
It's okay.
5 seconds.
Glam! Can we not go him? Or back
Can we
him?
look?
Go on the roads now.
Here.
Like, we can't go for fucking Trundle.
Yeah, Tony.
That was my
We just went
bad.
for Garrett and then we went for Trundle.
Yeah.
We can't do that.
Yeah, Tony, your ultimate is way more important than one-shotting one person. You've kind of just continued to do that.
Sorry.
Like, you really need to get to, at least.
You know, it's still possible. Don't, Tony. Just try and
Back up. Flip. As long as you live for fun.
if you can defend like stars, hopefully.
Yeah, because, like, I can R off of something, but, like, holy shit.
Maybe not. No, it's over.
I work with Jin. Holy shit.
Oh, yeah, we can't be so.
Oh well.
Fuck!
Definitely.
I don't know.